Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around an Audi RS3 that we've upgraded with a product called Target Blu Eye. It's an emergency service warning device that picks up marked and unmarked vehicles. Now that's got your attention, let's go. So what is Target Blu Eye? Target Blu Eye is an emergency service warning device that picks up, gives you an audible alert plus a visual alert for all approaching emergency service vehicle that is marked and unmarked. Yes, an incredible bit of kit. In terms of what we've done is something very, very different, and what we're doing on a lot of installs nowadays is something basically called an integrated mirror solution. We're actually taking the Target Blu Eye display, integrating it into the factory mirror. It looks absolutely insane, and this customer's traveled over 6 hours to us to have the installation carried out. Basically what the unit is it goes from the standard display from a green light to basically a red light as you're approaching, or as an emergency service vehicle is approaching you, and that is marked and unmarked. The product is around about 80% accurate. It's a phenomenal bit of kit, and I really don't like driving a car without it. That's why customers travel all over the country to us to have installations carried out from workshop facilities in Cambridge. A really, really nice solution. Basically, we've got an antenna in the front bumper. That's a physical cable run all the way into a control box inside the vehicle. On this occasion, it's behind the glove box on the passenger side. Then that basically is a physical cable run all the way up to the mirror. We actually take that mirror apart, relocate PCB boards, modify your mirror inside internally to basically allow for the Target Blu Eye display to integrate in there so perfectly. It looks absolutely amazing. Nothing sat on the dashboard. It looks factory, but it's a phenomenal bit of kit. So as you're approaching any emergency service vehicle, you're going to know ahead of the game by an audible tone plus visual alert live directly into your mirror. So if you're interested in this product, want to know a little bit more about exactly how the product works, head over to our YouTube channel. Basically, go in the description below, there'll be another video link there. What that video is going through everything in a lot more detail, a little bit more technical side of things on how the product actually works. But today's video is a very short video just showing you the Audi RS3, what it looks like installed into the factory mirror itself. Phenomenal bit of kit, so thank you very much for watching our video, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Otherwise, we're out.